So welcome back guys to our YouTube channel Being Business, and today I will be doing the fundamental analysis of one of the brightest IT companies listed on Indian Stock Exchange. Today I will tell you that why this stock can become a multi-bagger stock and why this stock deserves to be in your portfolio. So today I will be doing the fundamental analysis of none other than Wipro. So here we go. Wipro Limited is an Indian multinational corporation that provides information technology, consulting, and business process services. The founder of the company is Azim Premji. It was founded in India on 29 December 1945. The headquarters are in Bengaluru. The number of employees working here are 2 lakh as per year 2021. The revenue was 61,943 crores INR as per 2021, which was $8.7 billion. So if we talk about the quarterly financials of the company, so as per March 2021, the revenue of the company was 16.25 trillion crore and it went up by 3.4%. The net income was 2.97 trillion crore and it went up by 27.78%. The diluted EPS was 5.38 and it went up by 32.19%. The net profit margin was 18.3% and it went up by 23.65%. The cash on hand was 16.98 trillion crore and it went up by 17.5%. So if we talk about the quarterly financials of Wipro as per month December year 2020, so the revenue was 15.67 trillion crore and it went up by 1.29%. The net income was 2.97 trillion crore and it went up by 20.8%. The diluted EPS was 5.17 and it went up by 20.23%. The net profit margin was 18.93% and it went up by 19.28%. So if we talk about the cash on hand, it was 13.94 trillion crore and it went down by 25.29%. So if we talk about the fundamental analysis, so we see that the fundamental analysis of the company is actually very good and it is one of the best IT companies which is listed on Indian Stock Exchange. So if we talk about the subsidiaries of the company, so the subsidiaries of the company are Wipro Digital, Yardley London, Top Coder and many more. So the question arises that should I invest in Wipro for long term? So my opinion will be that yes, you should invest in Wipro for long term as IT sector looks safe in near future and it can actually grow at a rapid speed. And my opinion is that if you are looking to invest in IT sector, so Wipro is the best option. So the next question asked is on which technology Wipro is currently working. So information technology firm Wipro has partnered with IT body NASSCOM, that is National Association of Software and Services Company, to launch a skilling platform called Future Skills for new age technologies such as artificial intelligence, Internet of Things, that will reach 10,000 students from over 20 engineering colleges in India. So if we talk about the achievements of Wipro, so Wipro has won Global Breakthrough Partner of the Year from Pivotal Software in 2019. Wipro was the winner at the NASSCOM Diversity and Inclusion Awards for the Gender Inclusion category 2019. Wipro has got a good infrastructure, good projects, good training schedules. It entirely depends on the project which you get and the way you perform. They are almost similar pros and cons for most of the service-based companies. The future plans of Wipro shows that there is a good chance of massive growth. The company is also working on AI which can help the company to grow in the near future. So investing in Wipro can actually be a good decision for you all. So this was all for today's video. I hope you liked the video. So please share and subscribe the channel. and thanks for watching.